Western Union. Зарабатывайте на зарубежной недвижимости. Получайте деньги каждый день. Это проще и выгоднее, чем ходить на работу. Ссылки в описании.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Federal Aviation Administration. An unidentified aircraft has been located near the state of Florida. The aircraft is presumed to be foreign and may pose a threat to those in the area. Florida residents are advised to immediately tune to local media outlets for further developments, as is it not known if this aircraft is a hostile enemy. More updates will follow as information becomes available.